You all are welcome for this rapping competition. My name is Mr. Okpakoro Ozocha, aka Onyamnya Cricket. So, brother, can I know your name?
My name is Fino Faino.
Okay, Fino Faino.
Yes, sir.
Fino Faino. You.
Now me be Fast, the bad guy.
Okay, Fast, the bad guy. Okay. Next person.
Sir, my name is F2 Ibe, aka Eboto.
F2 Ibe. Alright. You. I am Senior Maintain, aka Ajana. Senior again. I'm Senior Maintain. Senior Maintain. Okay. Brother Kedafage. Mr. Solvent.
AKA Ozo Akbondo.
Thank you. Alright. You all are welcome once again. You know, according to Zoro, also that a baby cough ma aga me doziri ono chori no si na jeep opia pikato na Sudan man a baby bro nyengu aga ma chuptari slippers ya chori ego keke owaka okpasi dada na jadi na Yankee oti mpo bi the joint onye firi onu elozo onye granot na joint. Therefore anybody that may win this competition shall be going home with the sum of $52 million. But I would like you guys to pick the rap from your oldest song. Have I made myself clear?
It's our work.
Good. Over to you, Faz.
Okay, you the pop but with a good law, but your rent they hard you to pay all. You the owe money since last year, but na brand new Jeep way packed there. You the pop Zobo give this fine girl. You the tell Mary say you with that girl, so you get 7 babes to the take shine, and you promise all marriage at the same time, and you claim that you came from the north side, but your name is James on the online. You the form big boy like the top back. Meanwhile, your internet froster. According to your friends and your ties, you're finishing school in the 90s. You're eating paper magazine that your present age is 19. Excuse me, I beg your pardon. Okay, this so story no the hard dog. And this so for me the mad God, but who am I to take action?
Hey!
You pass just they go like you there abroad, but you still they pray in the name of God. Make you see food, don't make no fail to God. Man of God, they top him, they robot. In your small salary, if you pay your tithe, fellowship in the day, crusade for night. So you are they looking for more cheese, but apostles get your first list. Women know they go buy house for Jack. When man no get buy for hand, the same money no they make we understand. But our private jet is about to land. It'll pay this time around. Foreign account the cover to pounds. You didn't know where you're splashing out, and you said that the naira is crashing down.
Are you done?
Yes, sir.
Hey!
Alright. Fino, it's your turn.
Okay, this is nonsense. It is obvious to wear conscience. I have an esigoki way to tell me as Musa de Ferezefere conscience. He be the nuku, what I'm watching Elebuku and the cuckoo, and in my lantern of the chuku. So put down, tell us what I cuckoo, only Ukwagi, Kiborobo, Manane Chukwagi, Simnatagi Kiboro, Makidesi on the goo and the videos enishi, Marana Banigom, and Obukwani Choro Kadigo, every day natural rigging. You know, there's any condition now for you know nonsense. Narachagi Bube, Sheva Fosso.
Are you done?
I am done, sir.
Okay. Next person. F2 Ibe. Go ahead.
One you go and Casago, I'm shopping the giveaway. One they think I'm a top for this no very but now he take go their time with no man and my mouth in the pen is in my coca to F2. And I know you wanna hear my gist up and one wise man, I'm a massive from the east into the rapper. When I eat it up, that biscuit went 2 or 3, I got on my topic with your gist in a room who look at the kids or one, didn't remember them come on the rest of then you see how come those in it to when they talk on turn all the fears, I told their way from tell your mic, man, look on my pay, nothing is fit. Even Jesus had the price, babe, tell them I say, I came here for pay and not to play. See how they got in my money, come to Sarah had the place, celebrity, I make all the guys and girls not here follow. Mama, see all of them wanna follow. See they scream at me now. They can hard look at my follow. Fine boy, I'm chilling. This song I'm killing for empty. This thing and bad guys we feeling. Put your hands up like singing. Wave it like you hear. The faster got my problem. I'm getting it to here. Okay. I have a girl for me to come along. See my songs are Fagadi and Divu no Korode. I go on Umbok, put up one Niqueta. I'm not going to go the center and that the food. My fans take them like the mood. I eat up like food in the room. Can you go to the F2 this two noodles that are all like a crude and sometimes can be rude. One number can be like Nike if I think him good. Guys, oh yeah, choose where office man, Kafata na Cosmole, my, see the feeling in Yanga. One of those days, we have to Nataru Nukanda, can see a less of them. So we shop in every day. When they be in the street, my brother, tell me where you there. When he's rock on the beat, and have to on the hit, my flow is Kakadi gas, so they come the beat. Shebi, you say I know fit. Nana is in over fit from Naja to overseas. I'm getting paid just to speak, and I'm feeling like Obama. And now some Kosama, fetch go left them, setting with Okada in the way you one on with him, and when they in the street, one on with him, and they'll be in now, one of the so you can stop my shine, like a chicken go. See the girls say go, and my guys say first go. And their body you they see their soul say first go. One guy come to the hand, never see my guy no safe go. That she's eye on my flows, now movie go carry go. It's go, after go, name Naya, or them no be come down, my dolly, $1 oh God, these people plus to see me fall, one maybe, but I do say I'm like a ball, so they gotta plan big.
Senior maintain. Ogabiko yenu maka. Ka anyị ọba mba ka koburu bata n'ime abakpa ka anyị na-awụnye ofe ekpere ọkacha ndị na-anọ na gọta maka ezigbo ụjọ na-atụ ụmụazị a nwere obi ka adaka adị donyere ha obele plemat anya taa ya ka ọkada ụmụazị a na-eme ife adị ka ntị ka nkịda ma n'ihe na-ewe mbụ ha nọ bụ na ha na-agbaba na ngada ọsọ ha akụchalụ jee ka ọrụ ọya ọmọda adịkọkwa fa wen ya akụgbo ma ya ọfada ọlaedo osike onye iro na abakpa o nwere onye afọ ya bụ Emeka bọị na-atakwa ka nkịta ọsịa bụrụgodo obi anịka ọpịkpọ ya ka alịka olesmi nwere nnukwu okwukwe unu ama akpa nkata oge nka bụzi n'omente oge ma amara ife bụ okwe kịta mbụzi si n'omente brodo okwe kịtazi ndị ọrụ oyibo ma ndị na-asụ oke oyibo fanta na agbarụ m odibo ma ndị sowe ebo m ebubo fasina dizebụ otu sheri ego oyibo
were ya na-emelufe ajebo
fasina meta igo fasina mmadụ anyị gosi enwere m isi oyibo ife anyị chọrọ bụ ego oyibo anyị atọrọ ndị bụ odibo na ndị na-ata akị oyibo pabatozgo si n'omente nara mparap ngorap na apụ gels asị na-aso m apụ na fatọrọ inye m apụ na adịzi ka pap mana fabọrọ my type enye m gap nsoro ụzọ na-apụ ọkwakpue my cap m na gaisa na akap ekwuarụ m na anyị eburu awa fight kịta na-abụzi m ọgara fachena si na omenala si na ngwọrọ m ọgwụ ndị aka ebe m dịkwa enu n'ala maka ịchọtakwa mgbe kpọrọ mgbe bịa ngwọ gị n'ala mana etụba gị na gị dogo di na nwa n'ala ịnọcha nwa n'otu ya ezepụtakwa ịkwụsị ime gị aga nwoke a nwere ọnụ mana ọ bụrụ m etu ọnụ ọma na-esu m n'ala ya ejeso si na nsusu ọnụ ife m mere michi ọnụ ọbara adịgodo oke ọnụ dịka na-ekwuri gaasị nọ n'azụ nọ na-eburugodo ọnụ. Are you done? Yes, sir. I'm done, sir. All right. And you?
One day, I entered a bus at Sandburg Junction, where one conductor and a settlement bus stop. As we get the place, I came down from the bus, man, I pull up Amugo, then I entered in a bush. Fortunately, I saw a stool, and I seated on the stool. A young man comes to me and told me to stand up, and I stood up from the stool, man, I did my tutor, like I need him tools. One abia, what you textbook, with over exercise book, one of parishioner wood, in there, and one niggas no goof, or enjoy a fire, snap the booze, or jump my family and game book or Jude, until I see Messi Botas. My bro to this bar for solvent. Or Bomojur, Sina Munya tools, and say I'm bad a boost. I will not give you this tools because this is my tools and I don't want to lose. I can a cook and a book, or my can buy a with to be red white and pour a boost. Joya, what is that? Or similar drug abuse and say, okay, a boost. If I read drug abuse, or I make you prove, was born to prove one on my tools, Domi and I. If I am that, then when you got none with goof, I am done, sir.
Good. All right. Congratulations to you, F2. You just won yourself a sum of $52 million. A minute to get it, please.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes? Do you have anything to say?
Yes, sir. I have something to say.
Go ahead. I'm listening.
Sir, I remember skipping phonetics, trying to kiss my tongue. I put on jean trousers like, can't you see I'm young? I remember Boro posting time I got to play along. I defect designer just so I can feel among fresh nigga to the court, but they still tackle the boy. So I claim to be foreign and I didn't travel before. All the stupidities I say, and I wish I could withdraw. All the time that I spend, man, I wish I could withdraw, but I wish you carry come. So you see that the cause, all because you fail for me, and you really serve the God. It's because you turn around and kill the ginger in my blood. This case of strong hair, I believe that one to God. But thank you for your stubbornness, Nana the feasty. Say not only when I deal with you, when I dey feel free. That's when I can be comfortable. I can be me, and I still want to wake up with you when I be 60. For better, for worse, I should be this thing. I can't wait for the first child when we do the Christmas. Baby, come and rub me on my chest. Make the thing they sweet me till the infinity. It's history. Are you mad? That my babe should come and rub you on your chest, or your whatever you call it, on your chest. You dey craze.